So today is 12th of August and I had entered in a PE yesterday, but I was not able to document it or record it because yesterday the whole day I was in a hospital. One of my close friend, his wife was having an C-section, so we were there to support him, help him. And so I was not able to record yesterday's trade, but I'll show it now. I entered at around 17683 in this candle. The fourth candle I entered, and my stop loss was the high of the opening candle 779, but I couldn't book any profit because the whole day Nifty was range bound, and when market closed I was around in somewhat 200 or 300 bucks loss, but I didn't close my position. I carried it because as you can see, this particular red line is a trending resistance on the daily candle, daily chart pattern on a daily time frame, and Nifty has respected it, and on the weekly time frame the resistance comes around here 17,756, 758. So this line is this is the resistance as of the daily time frame, and and this one, not this one, but anyways, I cannot put the arrow mark here, but so this particular line at 767, 700, 17,760. This is the weekly resistance, and this red line is the resistance on a daily time frame. Whereas my stop loss is 719, and there are 3 hurdles that I am waiting for if Nifty comes down. Like this line 17,613, this particular line, this line is a resistance or a support, and very important line. Then we have a gap which comes till 17,560, which was the high of high on the 10th of August, and then we have this line 17,4 489, which is also a very vital support. So let me see. If this yellow line 17,489, if this gets broken, then I'll wait for 17,349. But I don't think Nifty can come that much because the option chain the option chain shows that there are a lot of call writers on 17,700 and a lot of put writers on 17,600. So I think today Nifty will also be range bound. So Nifty will stay from 17,700 to till 17,600 in this range, and maybe I'll trail my SL from 17,709 to this red line, which is a trending resistance line, but I have not decided it. I'll decide it later. And my position is 350, a PE of 17,350 for the expiry of 18th August. And actually Monday is holiday, so I don't think carrying my trade would be a good idea for Tuesday, that is 16th. But I'll wait for my target or my stop loss. So if my SL gets hit, then I'll exit the trade, or else I'll wait for this yellow line to reach. And this this line, the blue trending line, this line is a trending support formed on the 15 minutes candle. As you can see, Nifty has taken support from this point, and then again Nifty has taken support from this swing, and it will try to take support from this particular blue line. So let's see what happens. And I don't usually carry my trades, but yesterday it was actually I made a impulsive decision because I saw Nifty open gap up, and the resistance was at 767 something, 765. So I thought of entering at the opening, which is 719 or 18, something like that. And I thought of giving Nifty 60 point. I'll keep my SL here in this line. So, but it didn't work out, so I had to carry it. And Nifty is still below my. I entered at 683, and now it's Nifty is at 675. But I am in a huge loss due to the time decay, and I'll show you my. This is the P that I bought of 17,350. So now I'm in a 700 bucks loss. Earlier it was something 300 or 200, something like that. So let's see what happens. And another thing that I was thinking was, today is Friday and 13th, 14th, 15th we have 3 holidays. So I guess people will start booking profit, on the second half. So I'll wait till the second half, or if my SL gets hit, I'll exit. But if my SL is intact, I'll wait till the second half and see where Nifty is and the direction, and then we'll decide whether we should carry it or exit. So that's it. So I have not exited my trade today, and I'm carrying it for the next trading day, which is 16th of August. Because as you can see today, market was coming down, but then again it took support from 17,600, as there were a lot of put writers, and then market was trying to go up. And as I told earlier, this red line here, this red line was the daily resistance. Sorry. So but my stop loss was 17,720, and here Nifty closed just above my SL, and then again it came back. So I didn't got the time to exit my SL, to exit from my position, but I would have definitely exited. And if market would rallied up, I would re-enter again at 17,750, near 17,750. So, but today I was planning on taking another PE, which was very risky, which would have been very risky for me. But now I'm thinking that maybe I shouldn't have carried the PE position, because 13th, 14th are holiday, and 15th Monday we have holiday, national holiday. So like there are 3 days, I have to hold it for 3 more days, which is risky. And I feel that I am not thinking straight. This can be the reason of the backache that I have. I have a slip disc in my back, and it is disturbing me a lot. It's very painful, and so if I move it to a bigger time frame, as you can see, this is the position where I wanted to enter in a PE and hold it for some time, but carry it. But I entered like 100 points early, and maybe 2 days earlier. So yeah, I have to wait now and see what happens. but my learning PL, my learning from today is, you know, instead of gambling, this is kind of a speculation, kind of a gambling. Instead of gambling for this over the weekend, I should have tried to acquire some points during the day, during the trading hours, because now I'm worried, I'm tensed, and I'll have to wait till Tuesday morning. So not a very good feeling here, and this is also making me anxious. But I didn't want to book another 1,000 or 1,500 bucks loss. So for that reason, I hold it. I didn't close my position. I carried it, and let's see what happens. And if I and this is my position. $1,248 loss, but my position is still open. So, anyways, I have to wait till 16th and see